time to remove this makeup. I received some products from VERSED. These are skincare products and I'm really excited to share them with you guys. Let me show you guys what they sent me. So they sent me the Wash It Out Gel Cleanser, which I'll be using to really cleanse and clean my skin. And they also sent me the Just Breathe Clarifying Serum. They also sent me the 0G Smoothing Eye Cream, the Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream, and the Daily Mineral Sunscreen as well. They also sent me this cute headband to put everything away. So I do use first to really remove everything, and then I go with the cleanser to double cleanse. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, makeup is all off. Let's head on to the washroom and use some gel. As you guys could see, my skin is breaking out, so don't mind that. I just put on something a little bit more comfortable. Now it's time to cleanse. I have a little bit here. I'm just gonna put water and cleanse my face. So I start cleansing and you guys could see there's some foam. I love that. It smells so good too. My skin feels so fresh. Let's head back to the room to test the other products. I have their serum right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, put it on my hands, work it around, and pat it into my skin. This feels, wow, amazing. Next is the gel, and I have a little bit of it right here. I'm just gonna add that on my skin and massage it in. And the feel of this is super moisturizing. It's like literally a glass of water to my skin. If you have dry skin, this is amazing. This is the eye cream. So I use it with my ring fingers and I just pat it in a slow and gentle motion. And it feels really good. It smells really light as well. I like it. Last but not least, it is the sunscreen. I'm not going to be using it right now, but this is the clip of me using it in the morning. Sunscreen time. Good morning. And I'm going to add a little blob. It does kind of have a nudish hue to it. And I'm going to put that all over and blend it all out. It has like that glow and I really like that. Thank you so much. They also provided you guys with a discount code LBBYND10 for 10% off. Enjoy!